been almost 5 years we were friends. Show my friends. The first one named Keke. Among us, she is the most able to cook. The second one, my friend, is the best singer among us, namely Rosie. The third one, she is very sloppy in her activities. She always tells us about her problem. Her name is Tika. And me, Mutia, the woman's skinny and must to eat. Next, he is Keke's brother, and his name is Fadlan. We are also friendly with Fadlan. Like our brother, beside Fadlan, there is a man that is our friend. He is Fadlin. Usually we calling him as Mbul. You know why we call that? We all four have graduated, and only Mbul has not graduated. So, this is ours.
Right now this programming quite nice one, village quite nice one, village people yes. Okay, 2 meatballs with just white onion, not put the celery. Waiters, our drink is iced tea all yes. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
Good, good. Thank you. Hey bro. Guys, where we want to go?
What movie? What the movie? There is no nice film as well tonight.
Koko,
Yeah.
I think I'm really like your friends.
Which one?
Rosie. Yeah. It started when we meet at the cafe. She's so beautiful, cheerfully, and friendly.
No problem. I think it's danger.
Will not.
But you have put by yourself. Don't ask for my help, okay?
Okay, monster.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, I need a journey. Maybe interest or good places. Invite me, please.
I have a plan with my friends to make a journey. I will tell you later, okay?
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god, thank you, monster. Oh, yes.
Ku coba merangkai kata cinta, walaupun ku bukanlah pujangga yang bisa tuliskan kata dan nyali untuk ungkapkan.
Fadlan, sorry, I sing first.
Okay, no problem, Rosie. Rosie, wait. Can you give your number? Thank you. Thank you, Rosie.
Andai matamu melihat aku, terungkap semua isi hatiku. Alam sadarku, alam mimpiku, semua milikmu. Andai kau tahu, andai kau tahu rahasia cintaku. Berdoa dan beranikan diri sebelum semua ini terlambat terjadi. I wanna love you like the hurricane. I wanna love you like the mountain rain. So wild, so pure, so strong and crazy for you. Andai matamu melihat aku, terungkap semua isi hatiku. Alam sadar.
Welcome guys. Hi.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sit down please.
Thank you.
Wait the moment I prepare drink for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
I want to say something to you, but don't tell anyone, okay?
Okay. What about?
Honestly,
Tell me what.
I like you, Fadlan.
You like Fadlan?
Yes,
Serious?
serious. Keep your promise. Don't tell to each other friends, okay?
Okay.
Thank
Okay, I
you.
promise.
Sadarku, alam mimpiku, semua milikmu. Andai kau tahu, andai kau tahu rahasia cintaku.
Okay, drink please guys. Hi guys. Hi. Guys, we have long time no see. So I have a plan. What plan? We already friends more than 4 years old. Already a long time is also not meet with you. What if we make an exciting trip and will not be forgotten?
It's a good idea.
Where we are going?
I will tell you the place and I give reminder. So approximately 2 weeks before we go. So we are not allowed to know now? No. Just be going to a surprise.
Okay, I'm agreeing.
Me too.
Okay, I think it's going to be fine trip, guys.
Okay guys, trust all with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Andai matamu melihat aku, terungkap semua isi hatiku.
You are in elementary school how many years?
6 years, sir. Why?
If you finish your study for 6 years as well, it's meaning your burn the same as the child burn. Okay. The next chapter 2, I give you deadline for this to be completed.
4 days, sir.
Adeline, you are in elementary how many years?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
hatiku. Alam sadarku, alam mimpiku, semua milikmu. Andai kau tahu rahasia cintaku. Alam sadarku, alam mimpiku, semua milikmu.
Yes, this is a good job. You partner chapter 3, okay?
Not a revision, sir.
No, there is little, but later, now you make a situation app. You should have its data first. This is the most difficult part.
Like that. Yes, sir. Thank you, no problem.
Okay.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.